welcome back to your Elvis Uke Challenge, where we are learning 10 Elvis Presley songs in 1 month. Today we are doing Don't Be Cruel, and this is going to be easier than the last two that we've done because we need a little break in between, right? So this one, the strumming pattern, is good throughout the song, and we have 4 chords. We need D, G, A, and every once in a while we're going to throw in an E minor. So that's as challenging as it gets. The strumming pattern, if you're an absolute beginner, just strum on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're a little bit more advanced, give me all 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. You can go beyond that, and then give me down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And if you've learned how to chuck, then add a chuck on beats 2 and 4. Down, chuck up, down, up, chuck up. So let's look at our intro. Our intro has 4 D chords. The song is really fast. So if I think about it, the song is here. But this is a tutorial, so we're gonna play like a half that speed because we just want to learn it, right? But as you practice, try and build some speed. So let's do the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Great. This song has 3 sections. It has an intro, a verse section, and like a chorus section. And those just repeat throughout the song. So we've learned the intro. Now let's go to the verse section. So in music, we use this term called form, and form is pattern. So let's look at the form in the verse. For the verse, first you have 4 D chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 2 G's and 2 D's. Let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 G's, 1. Challenging part of the song is the closing of the verse, which is an E minor, A, and then 2 D chords. So the most challenging part is that you'll be playing a D chord right before that E minor, and so you're moving your whole hand, taking that leap of faith. So here's a little tip that might help it sound good. If you're more of a beginner, or if you've been practicing with your thumb peekaboo style where it's over here, your fingers are going to feel too short for this, and you're going to tell me in the comments, my fingers are too short. If you're up here, so much of your hand is getting taken up by the back. If you do this, look, that will open up your hand and you can almost reach the back. Some of you might be able to reach the back. So open up the hand by dropping that thumb. And I do the D chord with middle ring and pinky because ring and pinky are smaller fingers. And then what I do when I'm going to switch to the E minor, I use my eyes on the spot where that index finger has to land, and that makes it easier. So let's actually try and play through the verse. Play at your strumming level, whether it's just 1 down strum or a few more. Okay, here we go. Verse 1, 2, 1, 2, verse, go. 2, have fun, breathe. Switch chords. Switch back. All right, now here we go. E minor. Repetition is the best teacher, so let's do that same thing again. 1, 2, breathe, lower the shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. No, I can be found sitting home all alone. If you can come around, at least please telephone. Don't be cruel. Okay, so that's really low for my voice. So what I would do if I was just playing by myself and I didn't want to transpose mentally, I would just grab this capo, go to the 3rd or 4th fret, and yeah, link this capo down below. What I recommend with capos, so this one it works for both ukulele and guitar. Just get a metal one. So many ukulele capos out there are plastic and they just don't have the same tone. So grab yourself a nice capo, you'll buy it once and have it forever. Okay, so this song has those 3 sections, right? The intro, the verse. Now let's learn the final section, which is the chorus. And that's the part that goes like this. I don't want no other love, baby, it's just you. Okay, so let's learn that. We need chord G for 1 strumming pattern, then A. Repeat those 2 chords. And bring it home with a D. So if you notice, the home chord in this song is D chord. So if you forget where you're going, land a D chord and chances are you'll be right on track. So let's play through that chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. One other love, baby, it's just you. Everyone has access to a free printable / PDF of the lesson today, so make sure you grab it. It makes learning so much easier. That way you can practice on your own time too. Okay, so now let's go to close up the song. So take a little 30-second break to breathe, roll your shoulders back, practice anything that you need work on. And I'm gonna talk about the ukulele that I'm playing today. So this is the pineapple version of the one that I played in the first 2 videos. So the one I played in the first 2 videos was a figure 8. And this is the concert mango pineapple. I'm gonna link this down below. It's beautiful. I love how it really does have that mango tint to the wood. I just love these. And I put low G Worth Brown strings on these ukuleles because I love the combination of mango and Worth Brown strings. I'm gonna link the strings down below as well because sometimes just changing the strings changes the entire sound of your instrument. So if you have an ukulele that you've been neglecting, that you really haven't been practicing or playing with, change the strings and you might find like a newfound passion for that instrument. Alright, so now let's look at the outro. And I didn't name the outro as one of the sections of the song because it has the same lyrics and chords as a verse. So it has that E minor, don't be cool, do a heart that's true. And it just repeats that again, don't be cruel, do a heart that's true. And then the whole song closes on a chorus. I don't want no other love, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. And then you end on a D chord like that. So let's try and play through the outro. Get ready on the E minor. I'll go slower than what I was demonstrating. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Heart that's true. Don't be blue. To a heart that's true. One other love, baby, it's just you. And close. If you would like to practice with a full play along from beginning to end, I have put those on my Patreon page. So just like I'm making 10 tutorial videos here for everyone on YouTube, my patrons are getting 10 additional videos that are all just play-alongs. I don't really talk, it's just beginning to end of the entire song as it is on the sheets that I'm making for you all. So, and instead of singing, I'm playing saxophone. So it's a ukulele saxophone duet. It seems like people are having a lot of fun with those, so if you would like that play along, join my Patreon page. Patreon is just the page that allows you to support creators like me, and in exchange, we give you lots of stuff to keep you happy. So what I like to give my Patreon members is live lessons via Zoom for ukulele, live lessons via Zoom for classical guitar, and then play-alongs and PDFs that I don't share anywhere else. So for September, I always make the PDFs free because I just want everybody to join in on them. But the other PDFs that I make for other lessons, I only post on Patreon. Please upload your videos to our private Ukulandia Facebook group, or if you're uploading on Instagram, some people make like their own ukulele Instagram page. If you upload videos, use our hashtag so that we can find you. You can find me. My account name is Plazi. That's like a short version of my last name. So tag me. I really, really, really love seeing your videos and your performances. It's the best part of my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for video number 4. Ciao!